Jet Edge's lineup of ultra-high-pressure intensifier pumps just got stronger with the release of its Hero series featuring Jet Smart Controls. The Hero 100 series utilizes two single-piston dual-plunger intensifiers and a 100-horsepower TEFC NEMA premium efficiency motor to deliver 60,000 psi of water pressure. Water flow doubles to 2.1 GPM, allowing you to drive multiple cutting heads with a maximum orifice size of 0.021 inches. Jet Smart Controls makes the user interface so simple, allowing the operator to quickly set pump pressures, visualize intensifier cycles, receive performance feedback in real time, and receive prompts for scheduled maintenance. Remote start, Y-delta motor starter, dual pressure set points, soft start accumulator, and a 2-quart attenuator are wrapped in a rugged all-steel frame and cabinet as standard features. Add a plus sign after the Hero name, and a host of premium features get added, including a soft start motor starter, light stack with audible warning, electronic hydraulic pressure control, check tube sensors, bleed down sensor, auto leakage sensor, and Jet Smart Plus controls for remote monitoring. The pump is the heart of your Waterjet cutting system, and Jet Edge is one of the few Waterjet equipment companies that manufactures both its motion systems and ultra-high-pressure intensifier pumps, so you never get caught between manufacturers on who is responsible for service. When you need performance you can count on every day, Jet Edge's Hero Series pumps deliver. Visit us online at jetedgewaterjets.com to learn about our Hero Series lineup and download a spec sheet. While you're there, look at some of the case studies that detail creative solutions to cutting and cleaning issues. Complete a Contact Us form, or better yet, call us at 1-800-JET-EDGE to talk about your production needs.